What's going on, guys? It's your boy God Maliga. It's early in the morning. I look like crap. But anyways, so we got some good news. Let me turn down the brightness a little bit. There we go. Got some great news that I want to show you guys. These are my Type M rear pods. And where they go down there. So you can see, shout out to the homie. He literally like matched it down to the T, which is awesome. Also helps that the car was resprayed, so there's no need to like blend or anything. But what I'm going to be doing to install these, I need to jack the car up. I need to take the rear wheels off in order to install them properly. And I'm also going to be sanding and painting underneath, because underneath the car, like right under here, there's a lot of rust. It's all surface stuff. This side is worse than the other, but if I sand it down and then hit it with a few coats of primer, then it should be fine. So let me go ahead and get to it. Not going to be filming me jacking up the car or anything, because that's kind of boring. So you can see right here, there's some rust. So we're going to be taking care of that. There's some more underneath here. So I'm going to be sanding it down and then giving it a quick little paint job. Nothing too serious, and then throw the rear pods on. Alright, so let's see here. I'm going to try and turn up the brightness a bit. So you can see I basically sanded down everything, like the rot hole and everything, so it's sealed. I put rust primer and then a coat of gray paint over it, so it's not that noticeable. The other side is not, actually this side was, I thought this side wasn't that bad, but it turned out to be worse than the other side. So that side I already rust primered, and also took care of the little spot, the little rust spot I had. And now that this is taken care of, I was going to do body filler and stuff like that, but I was like, nah, it's not really worth it. This fender right here is already pretty much f***ed. So, I mean, there's no point in working on something and making it perfect, considering the fact that this fender is not even, this quarter panel, excuse me, is not even perfect. This is not the perfect job, I will admit, but it's enough to seal the rust for the years to come. And what I'm going to be doing is basically mocking up the pod, and I'm going to be clearing off the double-sided tape that used to be on the pod before. So I'm going to get to that. Alrighty, so I was able to put it on. It's nice and sturdy. Usually there's a bracket that goes on the bottom, but yeah, it's pretty solid. Now I don't know what I'm going to do with the other side, because the other side doesn't even have the mounting tabs right here, so I might have to improvise a little bit. Now double-sided tape did hold on to it pretty good. I think I'm going to just use a couple more layers of double-sided tape to really hold it down on the other side. But yeah, so far so good. This side's all done. I'm gonna go and take care of the other side now. Alrighty, so on this side, I just kind of zip tied it together, you know, and then put some double-sided tape, some extras around it, so that way it holds it in place. That's the same thing I did with my Civic, and my HFPs are still on the car, so it shouldn't be an issue. The other side too, I'm pretty sure I showed it. It's already done. So it's time to drop the car and see how it looks when it sits. Look at that. Dude, honestly, it looks great. Really finished off the look of the car. Matches really well with the side skirts. It gives the car a little bit more of a rear profile. There was too much going on in the front and on the sides, and not enough in the back. So the spoiler kind of complements the pods as well. It looks really, really good. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Shout out to my boy Reynaldo for actually painting these as well. He kind of screwed up by painting it black at first, but no hard feelings, buddy. It looks great. I can't wait to cruise around with this car with these pods on. I've had these pods for a little bit over 6 months. They weren't painted. I wasn't able to get them on the car. Everybody was charging way too much. Shoot, for this kind of quality, I mean, they look great. Paint was matched and everything. So I sealed off the rust on the underside of where these pods sit. So that should seal off that kind of rust for years to come. At least until I do something about the bodywork, because this car is in desperate need of an entire, look over from a body shop and a whole new respray. Hopefully we can get that situated in the future. Obviously that's not gonna happen now, but the car looks amazing. I honestly couldn't be happier. So I'll get you guys a little bit of some still shots, and then we'll be done with the video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I am tired, I am hungry, and I couldn't be more happier with how the car turned out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you slap a like on it, and subscribe if you want to look forward to my future content. I got plenty of things planned. My boy Urban is allowing me to review his R34, so that's gonna be very, very cool. So I'm just gonna tighten up the lug nuts here before I forget, and then I'll be on my way to grab some lunch. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is your boy God Maliga, and I'm out. Peace.